we go. Plenty juice. Watch this bad boy light up. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. My boots are rated to 18,000 volts. We're running just 120 volts into the ground here. And it is hot. Gloves, trash bag, all for safety. Unplug, reposition, and replug. Safety. Pine needles make the soil very acidic, so I'm wondering if just the pine needles themselves are just the soil's not right. I know this soil is acidic because I've gardened it and cultivated it before. I'm seeing a good number of very, very small baby worms. We'll see a couple more minutes if the big boys come out. One of the larger ones. I know there's some bigger ones in here. This is an old garden bed from years ago that I just let go fallow for years, and so there should be plenty of worms in here. So far all I'm seeing is little babies except this one. Tons of little babies, but no big boys other than the one. Couple of specimens that are a fair sample of everything. I'm seeing hundreds of them, or dozens this size, just really too small for the hook. They're really just babies. But I've only seen 2 specimens of this size. That's something I would fish for bluegill with. He's just not worth the time. Now, I have seen specimens 2 or 3 times the size of this guy in various places. So it works. I mean, it works. I just think it's just a matter of finding bigger worms. There's just many of those little small ones, but the big ones are what we need to fish with. If there's plenty of small ones like that, that just means they're going to grow up and get big, right? So I consider this a successful test. Now we just got to refine it, get bigger worms, so I can go fishing.